Hi everybody. I'm going to open up this box, this SD400D Cobra, and from what people are saying, it's one of the best dash cams out there. So let's see what we got inside. Okay, I already opened it up just to see what was in it. Do this one-handed, but packaged. And so you get this here, which is oh, the rear view camera. Oh, and an extra sticker. And this here's the camera. Comes with a little foamy thing around it. That's where the SD card goes in. That's the sticker that's on top of it. And then I think that's where you plug it in at. Go ahead and set this down here. I'll get a little short cable. And this right here is the mount for the camera. When I was looking at it before, it looked like this was magnetic. So I hope when we go over those bumpy roads that I like to ride on, it don't pop off. And an extra sticker. Then here we get the cord to plug it in. Oh, and see, it's got that little USB on the back there. So in case you need to plug something else into it, I guess. It looks pretty long. Come here, you got another cord. I think this right here is the, maybe for the other camera. Let's see the back side of this camera here. Yeah, see, this one will plug in right there. So this must be to plug into that other camera. And this is the electrical one. And then here's the instructions, quick start guide. Whoop-de-ta. And that's it for everything that's in that box. I'll probably be repacking it up and I'll install it. My other camera is very easy to install because the cables were long enough and I could reach the the extra outlet that I had for the cigarette lighter. But it was, you know, it's the SC201 or 200, and it has a 1080p